Hey champs, here's the continuation of our previous tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to sew boat neck and other necklines you should know. I measured 6 inches by 3 inches depth, as you can see. Then I used my curve ruler to curve it like you can see in this video. Then I'll be cutting it out. Then we'll be measuring our neck, our shoulder slant and our neck depth, as you can see. Like I've taught you how to cut it for shoulder tightening. What I'll be next, I'll be cutting the V neckline. This neckline is easy to cut, so I measured 3 inches width. Then I went down by 7 inches, and I slant it. You can decide to make your own width 4 inches depending on what you want. But me, I want it 3 inches. I don't want it too much. Then this is how I'll be cutting a neckline. Very easy to cut. Then I'm going to cut out my armhole. Next, I'll be measuring my round neck. I've taught you how to sew cut the round neck in the previous video. Yeah, I'll be doing it again. I measured 1.5 diagonally. Then I used my curve ruler to curve it because I the width of the neckline is 4 inches. That's why my shoulder slant is starting from 3. As you can see, that's starting from 3. If you check my previous video, you see that it starts my shoulder slant by 3 for shoulder tightening. So what I'll be doing is to cut it out. As you can see in this video, your shoulder is not straight now, or is it? Next, I'll be teaching you how to cut out your new neckline. I've done this in this previous tutorial, but I'll do it again. I measured 1 inch on each side, then I used my curvy ruler to make a curved shape. So this is how to cut the U neckline. See, not to boring neckline. Stop using the same kind of necklines over and over again. Play with necklines. You see it to come out well. And note that there are necklines for different styles, different necklines for different styles. Just be creative about your necklines. You can even do a skater neckline. I'm going to be making a video of the skater neckline, not in this video, in another video. This is the off shoulder. This is exactly what you've been waiting for, I guess. So for the off shoulder, we measured our armhole like we used to measure. Then we went down by 5 inches. Then we measured our bust line. So what I'll be doing here is I went down by 2 inch to give it that sweetheart look at the tip. So I measured 4. Then I used my curve ruler to curve it. So what I'll be doing next is to measure where I want my hammers to start from. So my hammer, I started from 6. You can decide to use 5 plus 0.5, so in allowance make it 5.5 because your chest line is not the same thing with your shoulder armhole. So what I do here, I'm changing it to a slant method. This is a slant method. Instead of curve, you can use any design you want basically. Yeah, I'm following the slant method. So then you measure your bust, then you measure your waist. So here is our off shoulder. This is all for our tutorial. Tell me what you think about this video. Was it helpful? So we made v-neck, we made off shoulder, we made boat neck, we made U neck, we made round neck. So tell me what you think about this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.